Hello students, today we will start question number 7, exercise 3.5. The product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. So in this question you have to take some examples and verify that the product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. इसमें आपको वेरीफाई करना है कि यदि हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूटिव में रेगुलर नंबर जो होते हैं, तो यदि हम रेगुलर नंबर लेते हैं तो उनका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो 6 से डिविजिबल होगा कि नहीं, इसको आपको वेरीफाई करना है एग्जांपल लेके। सो हियर वी विल टेक 3 into 4 into 5, 3 into 4 into 5, so 3 4 ja 12 and 12 5 ja 60. So see here 60 is divisible by 6. This is first example. Now take another example, second example. So 5, 6, 7. So 5, 6 is 30. 30 into 7, 210. So 210 is also divisible by 6 because 6 3 is 18. Here 3 will come and 0. So 6 5 is 30. It means the product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6 if one number is even and one number is multiple of 3, then that number will be divisible by 6. Now question number 8. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. So in this question also you have to take some examples and you have to verify it. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. So here we will take some examples. Sum of two consecutive odd numbers. So odd numbers means 3 and 5 and sum is plus. So 3 plus 5 8 and 8 is divisible by 4. Take one more example, 5 and 7. So 5 plus 7 12 and 12 is also divisible by 4. So it is verified the sum of two consecutive odd numbers is divisible by 4. Now question number 9. In which of the following expressions prime factorization has been done? So इन सभी एक्सप्रेशंस में आपको इसमें फाइंड करना है कि किसमें सभी का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन है और किसमें नहीं है। तो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में जितने भी फैक्टर होने चाहिए सभी प्राइम नंबर होने चाहिए। प्राइम नंबर मीन्स विच इज डिविजिबल बाई 1 एंड इटसेल्फ, जो नंबर स्वयं से कटें और 1 से कैंसिल हो वही होते हैं प्राइम नंबर। सो यदि हम फर्स्ट देखें क्वेश्चन, सो सी हियर factorization of 24 is 2 into 3 into 4. So this is prime number, this is prime number, but this is composite number. See, so इसमें this is not prime factorization of 24. इसमें 24 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं है क्योंकि जितने फैक्टर होना चाहिए क्या होना चाहिए, प्राइम होना चाहिए। तो ये तो प्राइम है लेकिन ये जो है वो कंपोजिट नंबर। ऐसे यदि देखें 56 में तो 7 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2, सो दिस इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. It means prime factorization has been done in B part. Similarly, see here 2 into 5 into 7. This is also correct. Prime factorization has been done. And in fourth part D, 54. So here 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, but 9 is composite number. So इसमें आपका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के फॉर्म में ये नहीं है. In part B and C, prime factorization has been done. Now question number 10. Determine if 25,110 is divisible by 45. So it is also given 5 and 9 are co-prime numbers. Test the divisibility of the number 5 and 9. So इसको आपको यदि विदाउट डिवाइड के चेक करना है तो इसमें 5 और 9 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल चेक कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि 5 एंड 9 both are co-prime numbers, and if you will multiply 5 into 9 then product will come 45. इनका जो प्रोडक्ट होगा कितना आएगा, 45 होगा. So if this number is divisible by 5 and 9, then it is also divisible by 45. So firstly we will check divisibility by 5. So see here its last digit, ones place digit is 0. So if ones place digit is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Now we will check divisibility by 9. If the sum of digits is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. So 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. It means therefore 25,110 is divisible by 9. Then therefore the number must be divisible by 45. Now question number 11. 18 is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is also divisible by 6. Similarly, a number is divisible by both 4 and 6. Can we say that the number must also be divisible by 24? If not, give an example to justify your answer. So answer is no, because number 12 is divisible by both 6 and 4, but 12 is not divisible by 24. So इस क्वेश्चन जैसे 18 जो है वो 2 और 3 से डिविजिबल है, तो 6 से भी डिविजिबल होगा, बिकॉज 6 3 या 18. ऐसे ही यदि हम कोई नंबर लेते हैं जो 4 और 6 से डिविजिबल होता है, तो कह रहा है कि क्या हम कह सकते हैं कि वो 4 इंटू 6 करने पे जो 24 आएगा उससे भी डिविजिबल होगा? तो ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि 12 जो ऐसा नंबर है जो कि 6 और 4 से डिविजिबल है, बिकॉज 6 2 जा 12, 4 3 जा 12. अब कह रहा है कि जो 6 और 4 से डिविजिबल होगा वो उसके मल्टीप्लिकेशन से भी डिविजिबल होगा. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीन्स 24, 4 इंटू 6. सो 12 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाई 24. जो 12 है वो 24 से डिविजिबल नहीं होगा. तो ये सभी नंबर्स पे अप्लाई नहीं होता है. Now question number 12. I am the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. Can you find me? So in this question you have to take 4 different prime factors. So the smallest 4 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now we will find the number. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30, 37 ja 210. So 210 is your answer. Now 3.5 exercise finished.